Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a review that helps you upgrade your lifestyle. Today, we're diving into something that will completely transform your bathroom routine: the SINGSUO high-pressure rain shower head. Looking to turn your everyday shower into a spa-like experience? Meet the SINGSUO high-pressure rain shower head with Handheld Spray Combo, a modern game-changing solution designed for comfort, cleanliness, and convenience. Whether you're battling hard water, tired of low-pressure showers, or just want a stylish bathroom upgrade, this dual shower system has everything you need. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel if you're into honest product reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions. Why choose the SINGSUO high-pressure rain shower head? Unlike other ordinary shower heads on Amazon, the SINGSUO high-pressure rain shower head stands out with its innovative magnetic design. Say goodbye to clunky wall brackets. With a powerful magnetic mount, the handheld spray clicks perfectly into place, even when your eyes are closed and your hands are full of shampoo. The magnetic base is also adjustable, giving you total freedom of movement. A built-in water filter for healthier skin and hair. Hard water can damage your hair, dry out your skin, and even cause buildup on your scalp. Thankfully, this shower head features a multi-stage integrated filtration system that uses VC balls, Maifanite, magnetic balls, calcium sulfite, and KDF Copper Powder to eliminate chlorine, heavy metals, and other harmful impurities. You'll notice the difference after just a few uses: smoother skin, shinier hair, and an overall fresher feel. Please subscribe to the channel for more smart home upgrades, and you will find the link to the product in the description. If you're ready to bring this spa experience home, spa-like experience at home, the 10-square rain shower head delivers a wide, powerful stream that mimics the feeling of standing under a natural waterfall. Its 360-degree swivel joint lets you customize the angle, while the adjustable lift bar accommodates all heights, perfect for families. Meanwhile, the handheld unit offers 5 unique spray modes, including the incredibly powerful blade waterfall spray, great for both personal use and cleaning tiles or bathtubs. Quick and easy DIY installation. No plumber? No problem. This high-pressure shower head combo includes everything you need for a quick installation, even a 79 stainless steel hose for maximum flexibility. It fits any standard G12 threaded pipe, making it a hassle-free upgrade for virtually any bathroom. Why this product is better than the rest on Amazon. While many other shower heads promise luxury or filtration, the SINGSUO high-pressure rain shower head delivers both and more. From its magnetic design to the integrated filtration system, this product combines beauty, performance, and innovation in one package. Thousands of households are already upgrading their showers. Don't be the last to experience the difference. Final thoughts. Upgrade your shower. Upgrade your life. Whether you're starting your day or winding down at night, the right shower can set the tone. The SINGSUO Filtered Rain shower head is more than just a stylish bathroom fixture. It's a wellness upgrade for your whole family. With superior water pressure, effective filtration, and unmatched convenience, this product brings luxury and health together in one sleek design. So go ahead, give your bathroom the upgrade it deserves, and treat yourself to the best high-pressure rain shower head available on Amazon today. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget, the link to the product is in the description, and if you love discovering the best upgrades for your home, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.